So that's mowing come to a stop for today. Back mower started making a funny noise. There's lots of gear oil in there, and I would say it's fair to say, I think looking at that, the bearing has gone. I can't see nothing in there without taking that off. So I would think that's buggered the back mower for today. Right, so day 2 mowing now. As you'll already have seen, didn't go to plan yesterday. Back mower broke down. Sounds of it, it might not be a quick fix. I'm not sure if there could be a few bits in the bed that shouldn't be in the bed. I'll just get worked into here where a field I broke down in last night. So yeah, phone call to the mechanics. I think there could be a chance that there could be bits of bearing or whatever have gone in the bed, so it might not be a quick fix. So if we go around back here, you'll see we've got one missing. So the plan is just to cut with just the one at the moment. We are getting one. We are actually getting a mower brought out to us. I think it could be a trade-in to our local dealers. Just came in yesterday, and I think they're just going to go through it this morning. And then they're going to bring it out for us to use. I believe it is another Pottinger, but it doesn't have air conditioner, which won't be a problem. It'll keep the job going. I mean, to be honest, I mean, do we really need conditioners? But because the Tedder is usually fairly close behind me, so I mean, dare say we could manage with a set without conditioners. So be down to just the one on the front for a few hours. Looks a bit odd now when I look in my right hand side mirror and see, well, I can't see anything. So it's a lot of years since I've only used one 10-foot mower. This set of mowers now is this is the 7th season. Yeah, we got them brand new. This is their 7th season, and this is the first year now where things are just starting to show their age on it now, on both front and the back one. I mean, to look at them, they're looking real good order. They aren't bent. All the guards are in place, everything's right that way. I mean, first cut I had a UJ disintegrate, and that bearing had gone yesterday, and the disc next to it, I noticed it had a little bit of play in it, so I mean, there may be just parts on them now which are just starting to show their age and wear out. Right, so I think we'll keep braying on for now, and we'll pick it up again when I've got a mower on the back. We'll have a look, see what they bring us. had this replacement mower on for a few hours now. By the time I get this 60 acre finished, I'll have cut about 77 acre with it on. It's not going so bad, to be fair. It's Pottinger, what is it, Nova Disc or something. But without a conditioner. It's a 2009 model. I think it's been traded in against a Cron. As far as I know, it was a Cron mower it's been traded in for. It's got good points and bad points with it, I reckon. The good points, first good point is the weight. Weight wise, I don't know it's on. Whereas with our Nova Cat, when it's on, you know, it fair pulls the tractor over. Another good point is the power needed to drive it. I'm running no different to what I was with just the front mower on earlier. Down anymore whatsoever in any way, shape or form. I'm pulling away here at 10.2, 10.5-ish mile an hour. We keep an eye on the PTO RPM. It never drops. So it is running it a lot easier. I think the downside to it though with it being a lot lighter, it's not quite built as heavy, and it's obviously not as strong. Whether that would affect it in a few years' time if you were covering a lot of acres, I don't know. It's a lot lighter build. The main thing I've noticed, which is a bit of a fault, doesn't follow the ground as well. It's only got a spring for the pressure. I don't really think it does put a lot of ground pressure down, whereas on the Nova Cat you can alter your down pressure hydraulically, and in a lot of our fields which are a bit rough, it would just stay planted to the ground. It didn't matter if the contours of the ground how it was, it just stayed planted firmly to the ground. And I'm noticing with this one, it tends not to do. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of a step where it just hasn't kept the bed flat to the floor, and you'll notice a little bit where the mowers join. Just get a little bit of a step where it hasn't just kept itself planted to the floor. I mean, it's only minor things, I guess. I mean, it's a 2009 model mower, so it's a few year difference between that and our own mowers, which came in 2014. It's been a long day somehow. It's not now quarter to 5 now, so I've been at work just over 12 hours now. But when sun was out early, I was just sort of felt like I was hitting a brick wall. Right, so that's it, yeah. It is a Nova Disc 305. So you can see it's very, very basic compared to the Nova Cat. And it'll probably be less than half the weight. Just a simple locking catch there, bit of rope, no hydraulic rams there for doing folding up. I'll just pull that rope, that catch lifts up, and then it drops into there for transport. See, she's very basic. No conditioner in here. It has these fancy little wheels on, which just keep the swath narrow. They actually work bloody well, actually. It's leaving a nice swath with them. temporary replacement. I'm actually quite surprised how well it runs. It's just a simple belt drive in there, set of belts in there. Couldn't be any more simpler. So it does make you wonder if do you actually need to run conditioners? I mean, Tedder man's just there chasing me down. It's only 4 hours since I cut it. Made me wonder whether, absolutely covered in pollen, whether or not this tractor would run 3 mowers without a conditioner. Just makes you wonder. I wouldn't mind trying that. Right, so we're in the last field now. Maybe in another week, 10 days, got another 40 acre to cut. We're going to round bale that. Yes, we haven't got any round bales made yet, so we're going to have some. Don't really want to wait till third cut and think, well, we'll make a few third cut bales. So you never know, it might not might knock her off. Third cut stuff in the best of stuff to bale, so I might as well get some second cut bales rather than third cut. It'll soon be time to see if the baler runs okay. Everything's yielding pretty well actually this time. It's probably made up for a lightish first cut. And these fields that I'm in at the moment, where I am just here, they're all this will be the second year in grass, so you know, they're still fairly young fields. And they're yielding really well actually. And the best thing about them is it goes through the mowers like a hot knife through butter. It don't know what it is with it. It just seems as though you can push on and you get a good clean stubble that goes through the mow as well. Right, so I'm on the last little bit now. Hope you've enjoyed this one. I haven't really managed to get the best of footage for this one. Been too many problems really in the show, so content might not be brilliant. The next time you see me, I will have a trailer on. Now I don't often have a trailer on. Well, it's very rare to be honest. So I'll be on carting duties tomorrow. We're taking all this back to the main farm. That's it really, so we'll end the second cut video just here. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, just press the little bell in the bottom corner of the screen and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications every time I put a video up. If you don't like it, just give it one of them. I am bothered. And right, we'll see you on the next one. See ya.